Hi there students, so I thought I would show you some things that are important for your blog before I mark them. You need to make sure that your blog address is your name and your surname .wordpress.com. So in this case, this would be wrong and you'd have to change it. You'd have to log in and then you'd have to go all the way down to domains. So you click on domains, then you go here to change site address and you make sure that it's your name, only your name and your surname .wordpress.com. So now I already have one like this. So now what should I do? Let's say it's not available. Then you add your second name, or you add the letter of your second name. So my second name is Henry, so I'll put a H in there. Now it's working, Dylan H. Cromot, or I could just put in my entire second name, Dylan Henry Cromot. Or I would do something like this and go DH Cromot, but that's not available. So it needs to be just your name and maybe your second name and your surname, or your name and your surname, or your two letters of your first names and your surname, but it needs to be only that, no numbers. I've seen some of you, there are numbers here. You need to not have any numbers. It can't be filming industry or sneakers or anything like that. It must be your name and your surname. You're going to lose marks, a lot of marks, if it's not just your name and your surname. Okay, so then you change that over there. The other thing is that you must make sure that you do not have this as your theme. I've seen many of you with this theme. Sorry to Mecca, I just used yours as an example right now. A lot of you are using this as your theme. This is like the general theme that everyone seems to be using. You need to change your theme to something that's more appropriate. Okay? And the way you change your theme is customize. You can click on customize over here to change your theme. Let's have a look. And yeah, you can do various cool things. You can change your theme. You can change all kinds of things here. I think it's with site identity. No. There you can even change your title over there. You can change the title of your site. This should also be your name and your surname, or if you're focusing on a specific industry, you can change it for the moment, but you might not always focus on that industry. Let's just see where the themes are. Oh, also what's very important is you need to change your homepage settings. Before we get to themes, let me talk about your homepage settings. You need to click on this one, a static page. Okay? Sorry, not a static page, your latest blog posts. It needs to be your latest blog posts. That means that on the front page, you're going to get all your blog posts are going to be in your front page. There's not going to be another page here that says blog that you have to click on the blog link in order to get to your blog posts. All your blog posts need to be on your home page, and the way you do that is by selecting this. Your home page displays your latest posts. Okay, so it mustn't be that one, and then click on home over there. So okay, a lot of you have got it like this. A lot of you have got it like that, right? And that mustn't be like that. It needs to be your latest post. That's what we want, that all your blog posts come onto your home page. Okay? Right, so that's very important. Then you also need to have widgets, of course. There's various widgets that you can add. You need to have all the various widgets like the blogs that you follow. You can have a Facebook plugin if you like. Definitely this one is very important, the follow button. Otherwise there's no way we can follow your blog. You can add your Instagram feed if you like. Your pages that you've got, and maybe a tag cloud, maybe your Twitter timeline, you know, whatever you want to add here. And for different themes there will be different options here. There might be different widget options. You might have widgets on the side here, like over here you can see these are on the left sidebar. You might have footer widgets, so you must just add the different widgets that you want to add, but you need to have multiple widgets. And then of course your menu is very important. That's this thing over here. You need to have a primary menu, and yeah, I also have a social links menu, but I just want the primary menu, which is this one over here on the left, and I can add various things to, I can add various pages over here. Now what's very important is that you need to have an about page. You need to have an about page that talks about you and who you are, what you're about, what you love, and so on. I can see a lot of you don't have an about page. You need to add that about page. And I'm still trying to see where we can deal with the theme here. Doesn't look like this option allows me to change the theme, but fortunately I know another way to change the theme. Oh, I just click on there, themes. Now once you've clicked there on themes, you choose a different theme. You look for all the ones that are free. Click on free, and then you choose one that is free. Something different from the one that I showed you, not that other one. Okay? Something unique, not this one. Please, not this one. Something else. Something unique, something that's related to your kind of style, and so forth. Okay? So those are the important things. You need to change your domain name. You need to add widgets. You need to change your themes. And you need to make sure that you have all your blog posts, of course. Every single blog post. You need to have an about page, a contact page, and even a portfolio page. A portfolio page includes all kinds of things that you've done. Your CV maybe. You can have a CV page with just your CV on as a Word document. You can have a portfolio page. The more pages you add, the better. Okay? And then of course I want to show you how to edit. If you want to go to the back end of your website in order to edit from the back end instead of in this editor here, all you do is you go there and you click /wp-admin. WP-admin, that's where I prefer to edit my website. It's the dashboard. It's over here. And all my videos you will notice involve this dashboard. And if you want to edit it here, you go to appearance, themes. If you want to change your theme, you go to widgets. If you want to deal with widgets, menu, and you'll see all my videos go into more detail regarding how to use this dashboard. If you want to change your website here, you need to go to, I think it's writing, settings, writing. No, it's not. It's settings, reading. And then here you need to click on your latest blog post. Your home page displays your latest blog post, not a static page. Very important. You don't want people to go looking for your blog posts. Also here you can change things if you want on your blog, on your front page, for the full text of your blogs to be there, or if you just want it to be a summary, you can choose that. And of course you need to allow search engines to find your website. And there's all kinds of other settings over here that you can check out. Okay, so those are all the things that I've noticed are wrong with your blog posts or with your blogs in general. Please fix them. You still have some time before I start marking them.